Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your bio on Opensea. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in opensea.com or opensea.io and press enter. Now from the home page of Opensea, click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't logged into your account already, and then use your wallet to log into your account. Now after logging in, you will be taken back to this home page from which, if you wish to edit your profile bio, just hover over to your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on profile. You will then be taken into your profile page. Now from this page, if you look at the right side of your username, you will find three dots. Go ahead and click on it and then click on the settings button, and now you will be taken into your profile settings page. Now from this page, underneath your username, you will find your option to edit your bio. You can go ahead and delete your current bio and type in whatever you wish to enter as your new bio. Now you can also make any other desired changes to your profile from this page after you are done with your bio. Now after making all of your desired changes, you can simply scroll down and click on the save button to save all of the changes. And once you click on this, your profile bio will immediately be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your bio on the Opensea website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.